Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. Shabir Ansari is here. Please consider to subscribe my channel. It is Saturday and it's a public holiday in my country. In normal routine in my country, Saturday is not a holiday. It's a working day. But today Islamic date is 10th Muharram Haram, which is considered as a holiday. Holiday means a religious day. And today we were working on clearing the roads for processions, and suddenly rain came from nowhere and drowned all the roads which we have cleared a few hours ago. Then we have unclogged the sewer lines to clear the road from storm water which is prevailed everywhere. As you can see, the road is fully drawn in storm water. It was a very heavy rain prolonged up to 2 hours. Intensity of rain was very high. That is why you can see a huge quantity of storm water. Monsoon season is going to end in few days. Whenever it rains, we have to rush to the most depression areas of the city so that we can unclog the sewer lines and drains as early as possible for the convenience of the public. You can see the wheels of vehicles are drawing into the storm water. It's a huge quantity and large in depth. It was a very hot day in the morning, but after the rain, the weather is become sensational. Hospital is shown in the footage, but today it is closed for outdoor. Only emergency is there. Engine of some vehicles are drawn in this water. That's why it's difficult for them to start the vehicle again. Today it's not a rushy day. As I earlier I told you, it's a holiday. It's more difficult for the guys who are on bikes because it's hard for them to cross the road before the engine gets stopped. All the road is drawn in storm water. Huge. In my previous videos, uh, I talked about that the construction, the structure which has been made for clearing this road. I will show you. Today I'm gonna share with you the structure that we have made for removal of this storm water. It's the office of Superintendent of Police, Iqbal Town. This road is almost clear, only few quantity of rainy water is here. It's still light raining. Trees are looking good after having a bath in rain. Here we go. This is the collecting tank. We called it wet well, where the storm water collected. This time its level is quite high. This is a dewatering set which worked on diesel. We have installed and fixed there. Its maximum pressure is 53 psi. Engine is made by Perkins. Its weight is 1400 kg and it's a 4 cubic pump. The working set, and here in addition we have fixed a 2 cubic pump. It's a local made pump. Both pumps are fixed with force line which ultimately throw this water into the canal. The level of wet well is decreasing gradually. These are the suction pipes, and here is a beautiful whirlpool. Staff is removing the floating materials and putting it back into the water. Light rain still continues. Washing machine is also present there if for in case of emergency and clogging.
ਆਇਆ ਅੱਗੇ ਮੈਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਹੁਣ ਰਾਜੀ ਮੈਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਵੇਲਾ ਪੂਰਾ ਅਮਲਾ ਆਇਆ ਹਾਂ ਹਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਰਾਜੀ
Here we go. Road is clear. There is no more raining water. All the storm water has gone and road is clear for traffic. Here is again a waterfall. Yes, you can see it. A beautiful waterfall. That is all for today. Thank you very much for watching. It's again requested for subscription. Thank you very much.